So this is the thing, and it's really, really old. Like, it's probably older than my mother. So then you're gonna need either some chopped up pecans or some whole pecans, just cause.
The whole's gonna be, well, maybe. I need to have them cut. Christopher was supposed to chop me some pecan.
Yeah.
And where's he at?
He is taking a nap. You like how it rotates? And we have Wesley behind the camera. Okay. And you might get thirsty, so keep water in mind.
And always clean up your mess.
And always clean up your mess, yes.
Get in there.
Get in there. So whenever that gets out of the microwave, we're going to pour in some pecans. We're going to stir it and then put in the pecans. So we're going to stir it and then put in the pecans and then put in some vanilla, stuff like that.
He wants to take a picture of it. Or video it.
Okay, so this is what it's going to look like whenever it gets out, kind of, if you do it right. So you're going to stir very carefully.
You don't want to slop it out.
You don't want to slop it out.
Thank you, Thomas. Y'all make a good team.
Make sure when you pull it out of the microwave, you don't touch the bottom of the bowl so then you don't burn yourself.
Yeah.
Good point.
A little bit more stirring.
Yep.
See all these chunks?
Well, it's going to have chunks. It's just
Yeah, it's going to have chunks.
Just try and make them a little small.
Yeah, as much as you can. Kind of stir, not without slopping. Here.
Look at that consistency.
All right, let me whip it some.
So now our trusty Nana's going to whip it up. She has long fingernails.
Yeah. Oh, don't show my fingers.
She can be a hand model.
Well, if my nails grow when I'm not working, yes. Coffee running.
Yeah.
May add a little bit more powdered sugar.
Maybe.
Just kind of got to eyeball it sometimes.
Yeah. Let's make sure that doesn't.
Hold on.
So if it's runny, add a little bit more powdered sugar or like something that will make it thicker.
Extra.
Not just something, it needs to be powdered sugar. Yep, let him stir.
Here, you want to hold it?
Over the bowl.
Hold it right there.
And we're not professionals. Nana, hello,
It's not.
is.
I'm just a nana.
She's a Nana, but a good Nana.
Thank you. All right, now.
So now Nana's gonna stir, and Wesley's gonna get the camera again. So then, if it's still running, keep on adding it, keep on adding it. But we're not gonna add anymore. So then we're gonna pour in some pecans.
Now we're going to put the vanilla in
Gotta put the vanilla in and then pecans.
All right.
Vanilla.
Let me look at it. Hold on. Leave it done. Yep, okay. Be sure you have the right amount.
Yeah, make sure. So you're gonna add some pure vanilla and pour it.
1 teaspoon. Very good. Want to stir that?
So then you're gonna stir it.
Thank you.
That would have been nice like a few chocolates ago, but yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah, it's all good. At least we got some lighting.
Thank you. All right. Now, Thomas, put in the pecans.
It's optional if, like, while the person's pouring in the pecans, you can stir, but it's optional. You don't have to, but that's what I do sometimes. This looks like Ferrero Rocher, you know?
Oh, it does with the, you know, it's the gold and the gold wrappers.
Yeah.
With the smart sides.
Good.
So now we're gonna wait on Nana for the bow, the
Yeah,
booter.
I gotta get down there where y'all are at. Get this out.
That's our pot for whenever we put it. Man, what about the milk?
Already put the milk in?
Oh yeah, that's what makes it runny.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
So Nana's gonna put some butter on the.
Somebody put. Don't put your toast crumbs in the butter.
Yeah. So, yeah, you're gonna want to get a napkin, put butter on it, and then spread the butter.
Why am I doing this?
So then it doesn't stick.
So that doesn't stick. Yeah.
Yes.
Because we don't want it to stick. We're gonna have that for like Thanksgiving.
Yeah, maybe a little bit too much.
Yeah, I already want some right now.
She needs the dish. Like using the dish for Thanksgiving.
Huh?
Like using the dish for Thanksgiving.
No, I'm not using the dish.
I mean, she's might use this.
We'll have some fudge. All right. So Nana's gonna pour it in.
Nana's gonna pour it in. And then me and Thomas are gonna lick the bowls. So let me get our spoons out. 2 spoons.
Doesn't that look good? Does it
So
smell good?
So good.
Make sure you get all of it out.
No, not all of it. 'Cause
Well,
we
you
still
gotta
wanna
leave
lick
some
of
for
it.
the bowl lickers.
Yeah, which is me and Thomas.
That's okay. Nana's gonna lick the spoon.
Yep.
Yeah. Me and Thomas got the baby spoons over here.
Caitlin, I can't see. Your arm's in the way. Thank you. Hold it. Stop. Let Thomas get over there.
I'm a professional bowl licker.
Here, you want to help me with the spoon? Ooh.